I learned from teachers and website developers that invalid code was not important, but being from the old school, I decided to validate the HTML and CSS source code on my landing page to compare the website statistics before and after validation to understand the impact of serving valid code. The facts were a big surprise. The website auditcharts.com has 212 lines of source code, served invalid code with 5 HTML and 25 CSS warnings on the landing page. The W3C Unified Validator checks source code for compliance with standards and indicates valid or invalid findings, revealing both errors and warnings for editing for validation. After validation, the Unified Validator indicates green when the source code is in compliance with the standards. This website now serves valid HTML and CSS code without changing the content to isolate the impact of serving valid code, and the results can be compared. Valid HTML source code increased discovery 600%. Valid CSS source code increased access 137%, both resulting in website visits increasing from 35 on the last day of serving invalid code to 106 visits on the first day after validation, an increase of 71 new visits for 203%. The impact was observed as soon as the server logs were updated for hits, files, pages, and data, reflecting an increase in interoperability, and sites and visits improved, indicating increases in discovery and access. The changes after validation were observed as soon as the server logs are updated because of the real-time searching and processing on the Internet. The magnitude of the changes could not have been imagined or estimated. The website visit is the #1 statistic, and the impact of compliant code is observed as soon as the server statistics are updated. Hits, visits to the server, reveal the first clues of serving valid source code, and the impact can be observed as soon as the code is validated. The importance of serving valid code is underestimated. W3C validation is not programming and requires knowledge and experience in the process. Lessons learned. A. The popular assumption invalid code is inconsequential is incorrect. B. Anyone serving invalid code does not know the impact of serving valid code. And C. The website statistics serving invalid code are inaccurate. Interested in learning more? See Source Code Solution, the next video. Thank you.